Hi everyone, Fiona again. I was just going to create a journal out of my latest printable, so I thought that I would show it to you before I actually turn it into a journal. And this one is called Lavender and Pearls. So, but before I show you the pages, they're not actually this small. I've resized mine down because I wanted to make a smaller journal, and I've Mod Podged the outside of the cover here so it's all nice and shiny, but they are actual full size pages, double pages. So there's a sheet of A4 paper and I've printed mine out small, but when you receive the file it will print the size of the whole page, so you can resize them down if you want to. So that is the page that's meant to be the cover page there. Another page with some lace and butterflies, and the next one like a sort of embroidery, pearl embroidery across there. Next one, the next one has a peacock on there. Next one, and you have 8 printable pages. So, well, they're 8 double pages, so 16 pages. So that will give you 32 pages front and back, 32. And that's the last page there, double page. And then you get 2 little envelopes, which also obviously are a lot bigger when you print them out full size. So I've printed them out really small. And then same with the tags. They're going to be a lot bigger, probably they're going to be a lot bigger than this, maybe double the size or nearly double. So I'll just go through them quickly. Little butterfly one, little flower one. I've just backed mine with some dark purple cardstock. Different butterfly one. One with a little pearl, little flower, and a little more roses. And the peacock one. Another butterfly and a little birdie again on that one. Okay, so that is the Lavender and Pearls kit, and I will link to it below. And now I'm going to go ahead and make a journal out of this, and I'll share when I'm done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.